Namaste, hello, konnichiwa from Anritsu. My name is Prashant and I am the Senior Director Sales and Marketing at Anritsu India Private Limited. The Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav is a golden period for India to start the journey towards the unexplored horizons in the technological world. The telecom industry is about to see a major milestone being achieved, the launch of 5G telecom services that kick-started in India from October 2022. The Government of India is optimistic for the development of telecom sector in the coming years and have already launched the production link incentive, also known as the PLI, for the telecom manufacturers. We heartily congratulate the industries who are selected by the Department of Telecom for this scheme. Being selected in the PLI scheme for shaping the future of India is a matter of pride and honor, and we understand the challenges and responsibilities that come along with this reward. Anritsu Corporation is keen to be part of the technological advancement in India. About us, we are a Japanese multinational firm predominantly established in the electronics and telecommunication market and a global pioneer for producing the world's first telephone network. From wired to wireless, R&D to design, manufacturing to I&M, Anritsu has the solutions for every wireless and wireline application, including chipsets, communication modules, smartphones, tablets, the connected car home security IoT solutions, AR/VR base stations, broadcast stations, mobile backhaul, front haul, and more. Anritsu is very keen to be part of the journey in building the technological advancement in India and would be glad to extend our services supporting the same. We wish the very best in development of India under the Atmanirbhar Bharat scheme. Jai Hind.